If you want to use a memory card on Google Pixel 10a, then unfortunately you will not be able to do so with the SIM tray, because unfortunately the SIM tray has only one SIM card slot, and this is the only slot that we have available on the SIM tray. So you can only use a SIM card in here, and if you try to use a memory card, like a microSD card, unfortunately there is no way to insert it because it's pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. So if you desperately want to use a memory card, then you have to use a memory card reader. And yes, it is quite big, and it is an inconvenient tool to use on a daily basis. Usually you can also find memory card readers with the microSD card slot only. In my case I have 3 slots, but usually you can also find smaller ones. And of course you're looking for a memory card with a USB-C cable, so you can connect it to the phone. So the idea is that you connect the memory card, the microSD card, into the memory card reader, and then we connect it to the phone, and then you should be able to access the microSD card storage just like that. Now, I know you don't really want to walk around with this accessory all the time. That's not the whole point. The point is that you can use this whenever you want to transfer something from one storage to another, not something that you should walk around with all the time. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.